So this is the Nifty daily view for 27 March 2015. Today Sensex fell almost 700 points intraday and closed around 650 points, and we went wrong because we predicted that 8450 to 8500 will act as a crucial support, but uh, Nifty closed well below that, around 100 points below the support range. So this is the current scenario. This is the Nifty hourly chart. If you see, like, we were trading in a falling channel, plus we had support of this two lows and trend line coming around 8450. So 8450, 8500 was the crucial support, but as you can see, almost FI has sold almost 2000 crores of Nifty futures today, which can be easily seen in the stick. Some big selling happened in the last probably 1 hour or 1.5 hours. So Nifty has definitely broken all the supports on hourly charts. On daily, if you see that the channel has been broken convincingly, but if you join these low of October and December, we are right there at the red trend line. So this would be a minor support. The major support was the channel, which has already been broken. So something is happening. This is the first time Nifty has broken this, this setup is there, that a channel has been broken, and that too with a gap. So this gap going forward will be a major hurdle gap and the rising trend line. So 8450 to 8550 will attract selling. So this range would be difficult to cross right now, and if you see, this is a daily chart. So if this today's low was 8325, if you see the gap created on 15 January, so high was 8326. So this gap has been filled, and see, if we bounce back from here, which I think we should, because if you see the 60-minute charts, the RSI is at 13. On 30-minute chart, the RSI is again at 13. On 15-minute chart, the RSI went to 11 also, so it is right now at 13. So on all time frames, the RSI is at 13. So 13 is a very oversold state, so you might open gap down another 25-30 points and then recover from there. But this, watch out for this range 8450 to 8550. Till this is not crossed, I don't think so we'll make a new significant high, or we also might not go to 8800 or 8900. So till this range is crossed, you should be seller on rallies. And this minor support of today, 8325, if this holds on closing basis, then it's okay. Then you can keep a stop loss. If you are stuck in longs, then you can keep a stop loss of the low. But the trend is clear. If you see the weekly chart, so weekly has been, if we close tomorrow here, then if you see, I told last time that this was the most bearish thing to happen on Nifty in a long time. Such a hammer on the rising trend line, and the big red candlestick confirming on that. So this was the most bearish pattern that we have seen on Nifty in the last many months. So this now has broken down this rising channel. If we close below the 8450 mark, which I think Nifty will. So one bullish case possibility is right now the view probably is the next support is around 8110, which is a 200 exponential moving average. So if this 8320 or 8300 is broken, then the next is around 8100 to 8150 is the next support. But the only bullish possibility is the scenario is like 8100 is the next major support, and if you see on Sensex chart, uh, Sensex has, if you connect this low, it has come down to this exactly at the trend line support, plus the 200 exponential moving average is also near 400-500 points, so it's around 27,000. Plus if you see the selling, only one more day is left, so the selling on the weekly chart is not that big to call it a, like, selling was not that much, and so the magnitude of the selling was not that much. So if one more day we add here, like today's trade, like Friday's trade volumes, so it might not cross more than the 10 CR mark here. So the selling is not like the candle, the volume candle should be like this. It would have been a major breakdown. So we think 8100, 8150 you might see in coming days, till 8450 and 8550 is not crossed. We won't be bullish for a big target on upside. So you might, so next 3 days is the NAV prop up game also, so you might see bounce back in mid caps and small caps by mutual funds to prop up their NAVs. So this might lead to Nifty rising towards 8450, 8500, but overall the trend is down, and 8100 to 8150 is the next major support. Thank you.